cancel na natin yung pala siyang gagawin. Tutulunukin talaga niya na mag-smoke siya. Hindi niya gagamitin siya. Yung hindi tumita ang isang kilo.
PNP now stands at 3-3 after defeating the Bulls. Congratulations to our player of the game, R.R. Bugoy, and Coach Chon Diaz. Coach Chon, after Meralco exploded for 32 points in the third quarter, you clamped down on them in the fourth, limiting them to just 12 points. How did you have to adjust defensively, and how did these changes favor your offense, allowing you to follow it with this victory?
First of all, happy Mother's Day to my mom. Kaya lang masyado ng late, I'm sure kuya hindi na napanood to. But to all of the mothers all over the country, happy Mother's Day sa lahat. You're right, I thought in the third quarter, Meralco made some great halftime adjustments to counter our defense. So we had to just talk and make a counter adjustment. And fortunately, it worked, and we were able to limit their scorers, Chris Newsom and Bong Quinto and Banchero from inflicting damage, because that's really the strength of this team. If those guys get their shots and get their looks, they're very dangerous. So, fortunately, we were able to make that counter adjustment in the fourth quarter, and then like we always say in our team, as long as we defend well, our offense pretty much follows and takes care of itself.
Coach Dex Aceron's initial diagnosis for Ray is a groin pull. How do you see this development affect how you strategize for Ray or Shine?
Very big. Ray, at the highest plus minus in this game, if I'm not mistaken, is a huge part of our team. He does so many things for us, and if that's I hope Dex is wrong, but you know, that's one of the other challenges that we have to face moving forward.
Thank you so much, Coach John. Roger, pang-import na mga minuto, pang-import pa na explosion of points. Knowing how tough Meralco's defense would be against you guys tonight, ano bang pinahalagahan mo ngayon at anong mga opportunities yung nakita mo sa court kaya grabe yung paglutos mo?
First of all, salamat ako sa Panginoon. And happy Mother's Day sa mama ko. And sa wife ko nanood ngayon. Lovely. Ano lang talaga, unang-una, coming to this game, focus palagi sa akin, depensa lang talaga, susunod lang yung offense. Ilang games na nga, ilan lang yung points ko, basta focus ko, depensa. So, grateful, blessed na pumapasok yung tira ko. Basta every game, defense talaga yung focus.
Thank you, Roger. We're now opening the floor for the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, hindi sa boy were 0-3, now 3 straight wins. Do you think na ito na talaga yung game nyo, or?
Yeah, hopefully. More than the record, I think it's we're seeing definite improvements on both sides of the ball, offense and defense and offense. And itong malaking bagay, we've just gone through the first half of our schedule. Admittedly, I wanted it to be a better record than this, but we can't complain with 3-3 given the way we started. And the key now is, number one is the recovery. Roger got hit by cramps, and then we all know Ray might be suffering from a groin injury. So that's the most important thing. We have to make sure that we are able to recover well in these next few days, while at the same time staying sharp. So that's always the balancing act that we have to play.
Coach, you got a long break. Your next game is 21 out the team break that you considering those circumstances na.
Yeah, we actually talked about it coming into this weekend. We said this is going to be a tough weekend for us, but then if we take care of business, then we can rest. Sabi ko, ang pahinga sa Lunes, hindi sa not anytime during this game. And like I said, the players did a great job staying connected and staying together, even in the face of that great Meralco onslaught in the third quarter. So, yun lang naman yun. Now we can rest and focus on our next game.
Roger, kamusta lang kanina yung rhythm mo kanina, kamusta yung, kailan mo nararamdaman na parang nakukuha mo yung rhythm mo at kaya mo pa ipasok yung mga stress?
Pagkatapos ko siya serve.
Oo, naramdaman ko nung pinagalitan ako ng coach kasi yung pasa ko sobrang lakas. So, kailangan ko bumawi, kailangan ko maging leader sa veterano sa team. Yun.
Ba't ba malakas pasok ito nangyari sa...
May ginagawa akong mali. Hindi, iniisip ko kasi talaga pasa doon kasi alam kong dinodouble ako, pero mali yung technique ko. Tapos yun, pinagalitan ako ni coach, sinabihan ako, ano ba yung mga ginagawa mo? Then, pumasok sa isip ko na pagpasok ako ulit, babawi talaga ako. Yun, tuloy-tuloy.
Nakasabi mo ngayong offense mo past few games. So, do you think, considering na ibang TNT itong Filipino campaign nyo, you're doubling up on sa responsibility mo na sa offense?
Oo, kailangan kailangan ipakita sa mga bago na paano maglaro ng tama. Hindi yung first 3 games namin. Ako nga, veterano ako pero nagbabokaw ako. So yun, sumusunod din yung mga sila Calvin, sila Stingray. Yun, sinabihan din kami ni coach. So sabi ko nga, magsa-start sa amin ni Stingray, Calvin, ako kasi mas yung bola sa amin mas matagal yung bola sa amin. So inawalan namin yung tama, yun. Maganda yung result, naging 3 panalo.
Coach, in this weekend, si Calvin has been at least 20 points offensively. What's the recent surge kay Calvin offensively?
I think we've done a good job in these past 3 games in just moving the ball and finding the open man. And like I said, as long as we get good looks, we're not going to make every shot, but as long as they're good looks, we can live with it. The problem is if we are missing and taking shots under duress or shots that there's a man in front of us, then so yun lang. The players are just being more patient, and when that happens, the ball magically finds its intended targets, so it lands in the hands of the guys who should be taking the shots. But I think we have to credit also the guys who set them up. Our bigs do a good job setting them up. I think the job of Kelly and Poy allows the wingmen to get out and do their thing on offense. But as well as Calvin and Roger have been playing, it's really everybody else just doing their role, getting the job done.
Alright, that wraps it up. Thank you so much, Coach Sean and RR.
Thank you.